Hi Shubham, good morning.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yeah, Nikhil is the trainer for your Power BI demo and then batch. Hi Nikhil, good morning.
Yeah, hi Shekhar, hi team. Hi, good morning. Am I
Yeah,
audible to everyone?
yeah, you are audible, Nikhil and then Shubham. Shubham,
Okay.
actually, we will wait for a couple of minutes. Let others also join.
Yes, sir, go for it.
Yeah, sure. But thank you.
Hello. Hello, Nikhil, sir, is there?
Yeah, Shubham. Yeah.
Sir, is there any providing for certification for attending the seminar or
For this
sorry?
seminar, Shekhar will update you regarding this.
Yeah,
Shubham, what is your query?
sorry. My query is that is it providing the certification for that seminar?
No, no certification is providing for this seminar. What kind of certification you are expecting, Shubham?
No, no.
So,
I just wanted to attending the seminar was just like that. Or
Shubham, this is the demo
yeah,
seminar. So
demo.
just to
I
get,
know.
yeah.
Yeah. That was a
So
demo
for
classes. I'm just
yeah,
asking about not that.
yeah. So for basically for demo classes or demo sessions, you doesn't get. So if this seminar is all about training you in one day or similar kind of thing, so you will be getting, but this is not that kind of thing, so that's why you will not get the attending certificate you get in some seminars.
Okay, okay. No issue, sir. That
Yeah,
was a just a query actually.
no worries, no worries.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Nikhil, you can start the session. Meanwhile, others will join Nikhil.
Sure.
Yeah, thank you. I will be in mute.
Yeah. So, Shubham, just keep this session friendly, or you can say easy to understand. So, I will be asking you some questions and you can answer me accordingly. Or if you have any questions, you can just ask in between this. Okay?
Okay, sir, sure.
Yeah. So, Shubham, have you ever heard about Power BI or BI system?
No, sir. Actually, I am aware about that.
Okay. Okay. So, allow me to share my screen. So once my screen is visible, do let me know. So Shubham, uh, are you able to read this thing? What I am sharing on the screen? Are you able to read this
Yes,
Excel
sure, sir.
data? You can say. So what you understand by this means if I say summarize this in 5 to 10 minutes, so can you will be able to understand this, or you can easily summarize me what is this whole data. So this data is of 229 rows. It's easy or it's hard?
It's easy.
It's easy, or
Yeah,
this is the easy one.
yeah. That was the very better for that.
So this is better or this is better?
The graphical representation was always better for
Yeah,
as visual effect.
yeah. So this is the Power BI report, what you are seeing on the screen, and the BI tools are the essential part of decision making and the data driven decision making. So I'll just brief you about something. So this is the Adani stock data. So for example, this data is all about uh, 2023 to 2024. So for example, if you have invested 10,000 rupees for 5 years in Adani stock, so you will be getting this amount. So all this calculation, all this graphical representation is created into Power BI, and you can create more easy and understandable data as this Excel sheet in Power BI. So this is the basic overview about the Power BI, and there are various Power BI or BI tools in the market. So I'll just show you that as well. So have you ever heard about Gartner? So Gartner is the biggest, or you can say the largest company which rates or y- that analyzes the product. So according to Gartner, these are the major BI tools in the market, which is Tableau. You can read this later on. You, if you want, I can share this, or you can search. And this is the Power BI, Microsoft Power BI, and ClickSense, SAP. These are all BI tools with some feasibility, with some their advantages. So every BI tool has their own speciality, or you can say their functions, and some BI tools have some limitations that you will be learning into the sessions in deeper analysis. And after for apart from this, so why do you think, Shubham, it's required, BI technologies are required in today's market? Any idea?
Yes, sir. Currently, we are the competition in most of the competitors is in the market.
Yeah.
As everyone looking better visual effect and clarification. So everyone will be preferring the proper data analysis and all that things
So
for better clarification of that data.
yeah.
So that
So
will be the
I'll be explaining you more better. So for example, in your day-to-day life, so for example, take example of your phone pay, Google Pay. So you every day, for example, you and your friends do around transaction of 1,000 or 2,000 rupees daily. So that transaction, each and every transaction somewhere has been recorded in a form of transactional data, which is called as SQL or any other databases like NoSQL, big data, or anything similar kind of thing. So every transaction or everything you do on internet has been recorded somewhere in some databases. So for example, if you like some photos on Instagram or Facebook, so that is also recorded somewhere. So if I have to analyze your spending pattern, so I will take your data of your phone pay, Google Pay, or your financial transaction you did uh, via online, like net banking, any other modes. So I'll be tracking your uh, behavior, what is your most expense. So for example, you spend on food or shopping, so after from that I'll be showing you similar ads or similar kind of thing, though this is the power of data. So you can analyze. So for example, if some company as if you are working into some company and they have 1,000 products in the in the market, but they want to analyze, I have to cut down which product is not selling and which top 10 products are highest selling, so I'll be pushing that into marketing or sales or advertising. So that you can analyze via data. So this all things you can easily achieve via analyzing data and visualizing data, and it's easy to represent. So for example, if I have to present this data to some stakeholder or business owner, so that they will not analyze, so they will say, what is this? I'm not able to read. But this dashboard you can easily read. For example, this is the census data, and if you can click on this, so you'll be getting the whole bunch of data, what is the population of each and every states in India. So this is easy, and I can represent on this any screens, and you will be getting some idea, and you can analyze, oh, this is the highest populated state in India, and I can use that. So as per your business requirement, you can create dashboards and report this. So this is the basic overview why we need dashboarding. So apart from this, micro so let's talk about Microsoft Power BI. So Microsoft Power BI is the tool of Microsoft, which is earlier associated with Office 365. Later on, it's completely rolled out in the market i- in 2015. So this is the history. So this is basically, you can say, earlier it was Microsoft SQL Server, so which is SSRS, and later on it's converted into a various product, which is Power Pivot, Power Query, Power View, Power Maps, and later on Power BI. One good thing about Power BI is it gets monthly or quarterly updates. So for example, I'll show you some more examples of dashboards. So this kind of dashboards you can create into Power BI. This is the hospital dashboard, and this is the requirement analysis dashboard, and this is the finance dashboard. You can create lot more dashboards. So these are not interactive dashboard. These are the only images which earlier has created, but you can analyze this, and you can create this kind of data dashboards using Power BI. And Power BI has features you can drill down or analyze data as per your feasibility or flexibility. For example, if I change the date, so data is also changed. So this is the interactive dashboard you are going to create or you are going to learn. Any question, Shubham?
No, sir.
So if I'm going fast or it's okay.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, sure. So have you ever worked with Excel?
Yes.
Yes. So one more question. So Excel also has some features of creating uh, charts and this is, you can create charts in Excel. So why we have requirements of BI tools? We can create same in Excel as well.
Yes, sir, definitely. But the BI tools will be the advanced about that Excel. Excel, what was the limited, we can say.
Yeah. So I'll just brief you more. So Excel has limited data options. You can see this much only. But when it comes to Power BI, you have lots and lots, 100 plus data source option. So you can see over here, I'll show you. So these are the file format data you can create. So this is file based data you can connect, and this is the database access. You from this different types of database you can connect. And this is the one of add-ins of Microsoft Fabric, which is the advanced version, or you can say the new product of Microsoft, which is integrated within Microsoft Power BI and their various things. And this is the Power Platform. This is the another various products which is launched by Power BI. And this is Azure. You ever heard about Azure, other things. And this is other online services like Salesforce, Spreadsheet, Zendesk, Zoho. You can get data from lots and lots of, and this gets updated. So this, for example, if you don't have any connectivity for any sources, so you will just raise the concern and that will get added. So basically Power BI has is a very good in terms of updates. And if you can see, this is the Microsoft Teams. So team, you can get data as from Teams as well. And if you don't have anything, you can just paste your query here and you can get the data. So this is the one limitation why we use Excel, why we use Power BI instead of Excel. And there is one more limitation. uh, So Excel has limitation for rows and columns. You can later search it on Google. So that's why. And if you have limitation for your data, so you'll not able to create dashboards, reports from larger data set. So with Power BI, you can create various types of report, which includes, I'll show you in this dashboard. So you can create, this is the report page, and you can also create the drill down dashboard, which is this is the drill down dashboard. So this is the drill down dashboard. So you can just create this, and if you want this, you can export this into Excel as well, or you can just view this into Excel format as well. So Power BI provides you various options to share your data in various formats. So for example, your senior or your some colleague ask you that you have created this report, but I don't have Power BI, or I don't have access to BI tools. So you can just export this data and share it to concerned person. So you will be getting this data in this format. I'll show you. So apart from this, in Power BI, you will be going to learn how to create dashboard, what is the function of this data pane, what is data modeling. As you can see, these two data sets are connected over here, and how to connect these databases into Power BI modeling tab, and how to write DAX codes. I'll show you DAX codes as well. So this is the DAX code, as you can see. So how to write this complex DAX code, how to use it, we will be teaching you each and everything. So I'll show you another DAX code as well. So so this is another DAX code, and this is the another DAX code. So how to write this complex DAX queries, which allows you to measure or calculate data as per your need or as per your requirement. So we will be teaching you that as well. And apart from this, Power BI offers you various kinds of visualization options. So this is the stack bar chart, pie chart, donut chart, tree map. Apart from this, if, for example, if you are not satisfied that want more charts, so Power BI also has this feature, so you can just get more visual, and you will be getting thousands and thousands of visualization option with this library. You can just import these charts and you can use accordingly. So how to import these charts, you will be getting deeper learning into our sessions later on, and how to customize your charts, how to share your charts. So Power BI does offers you various sharing options. So you can publish these dashboards. For example, you are seeing this option for publishing, how to publish dashboard, how to share your dashboard across your team, across your organization, or into, for example, client server. You will be going to learn this, or how to work on live reports. So this reports are not live yet, just because the data source is not live, but you will be getting live data, how to work on live data, how the live data dashboard works. So these are the various things you are going to learn into Power BI sessions. So for example, I'll show you with this image. So this is the requirement analysis dashboard, and this dashboard shows you what is the sales, what are the requirement in support, what is the requirement in admin, and what is the experience range, 2 to 6 years, 4 to 8 years. So this all various kinds of report you will be going to learn. Any question, Shubham, till now?
No, sir, not yet.
Yeah. So hi Nilesh. So hello Nilesh, am I audible to you? So moving forward, Power BI does offers you various in between options. So for example, you can say these are the inbuilt feature between Power BI. This is the Power View, Power Query, Power Pivot, Power Maps. So these all things are, Power Query is used for modifying data and changing some data types, or analyzing error, removing error from your data. And Power Pivot and Power Maps, these are other things. So Power Maps provide you the flexibility to 3D visualization or animated charts. And apart from this, so Power BI does offers you the cloud-based service, and Power BI is the analytic service which is provided by Microsoft, which is later on having some upgrades, and which does offers you Power BI service, Power BI web, and which helps you to create interactive dashboards for your business needs. So as you can see, it's also written here, self-service BI capabilities that enables user to create reports, dashboards without help of IT and database admin. So that means you can create your dashboards if you have complete data, or without help of any other admin to give you data if you have files. And the cloud-based BI service, also called as Power BI service, along the Power BI desktop. So Power BI service is different area that you will be getting known in the sessions or in the classes, and which is the cloud-based Power BI platform. You can get schedule refresh. So for example, if you have live data, so when your data gets refreshed or updated, you will be learning into Power BI service area and what are the other capabilities of Power BI service, how to use other things. And as you can see, in March 2016, additionally service called Power BI Embedded Azure Cloud Platform is unveiled by Microsoft. There are various advantages with Power BI as well. So Power BI has a large number of data set and huge connectivity with APIs and mobility. Nowadays there is also one update. You can create your dashboard as per your mobile view. So I'll just show you that as well. So you can create your dashboard with a mobile layout as well. So this all things make you some good analyst into field of Power BI. So this you can see this is the mobile layout. So if I'll be creating dashboard over here, so this will be created according to your mobile screen. So later on you can view on your mobile phone with the help of Power BI service, and there are various apps provided by Power BI. Any questions for anyone? Nilesh, Shubham, any questions from your end?
No, sir. Currently no time.
Yeah.
1 minute, Nikhil. Shubham,
Yeah.
yeah, Nilesh, so we are audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, please proceed. Nikhil, please
Yeah.
proceed.
Yeah. Yeah. So that is the basic overview of Power BI. So what you are going to learn into the sessions and how you are going to learn and what type of reports you are going to create. So what I shown you in the images in the dashboards, that you will be learning. And if you learn Power BI, that definitely you will be making a good you will be learning and going to become a good data analyst, good Power BI developers into the market, which is the highest and trending skill set nowadays, and you will be getting good jobs into the market. And if the good analyst is there, so that should be having skill set of get knowledge of BI tools such as Power BI. So Power BI is easy to learn and easy to use platform. You just require some basic knowledge of Excel rather than that, but we'll be teaching you that as well, how to deal with Excel data, SQL data, and live data. Apart from that, you will be getting learn how to create drill down reports, dashboard, cross filtering, DAX, various kinds of things. So when you will be enrolling, you will be getting the course input, what you will going to learn, or I'll be sharing you. That's all from my end for this demo session. If you have any question, you can just ask me any question from any related BI related, Excel related, anything you can ask, any queries, what you will be going to learn, and anything related to course as well.
What was the duration for that course, sir?
So duration is 45 days. You will be learning all course material. Apart from that, your CV preparation, your LinkedIn preparation, interview question preparation, and what are the major question asked into the industry. And you will be getting projects as well. Portfolio, your portfolio will be created in this sessions as well, so you can show to the recruiters that these reports are created by me, and you can showcase that I have that skill set of creating Power BI reports, and I am good fit for your role. If you have you will be showing your Power BI portfolio, and your LinkedIn will be optimized, and your CV will be prepared, and major interview question which is related to Power BI and data analyst or Power BI developer roles will be taught you and practiced and teached you to, if you get for a call, for an interview, you'll not getting stuck. And after that also you can just ask me a question, sir, I got this question and I'm not able to answer you. So I'll be explaining you how to answer the question into the interview as well to crack down this.
Nikhil,
Yeah.
so what are the prerequisites for this course, Nikhil?
So prerequisites are getting a laptop with minimum 4 GB RAM of your data, and that's all, and good internet connectivity. Apart from that, there is no requirement. I'll be sharing the data source as well to practice, and I'll be creating whole that environment how to practice all those things. I'll be teaching you from step by step how to install Power BI in your systems and how to work this. Just the prerequisite, a good laptop with 4 GB RAM minimum just to run Power BI smoothly. You can work below 4 GB RAM as well, but you will be not going smooth as I'm going, just because Power BI is a large file and you have to require good space to run it. And apart from that, there is no prerequisite, just good internet connection and laptop with minimum 4 GB RAM.
Do we require any technical knowledge to learn this Power
No,
BI?
no, no. You will be requiring no technical knowledge. I am itself not from technical background, but I'll be learning. If you have zero knowledge of any technical skills, that then you will also going to learn good uh, level of Microsoft Power BI knowledge. If you are from bio background, if you are from commerce background, there is no prerequisite of getting from technical. If the person is from technical background, then he or she will be going to learn Power BI. There is no such requirement. If you are from any background, any work experience, you can learn Power BI and you can enhance your skill set.
Okay. Do we have uh, calls in the market only on the Power BI?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
fine.
so you are having jobs, various jobs like Power BI developer, BI analyst, dashboards analyst. So there are various kinds of openings and jobs in the market related to Power BI.
Okay, if we complete the course with you, Nikhil, so how many
Yeah.
years experience I can mention in my resume? Like how competency level you can able to provide? Suppose, do I need to mention 3 years or do I need to mention 2 years? So how much
So with
expertise level you can provide
so
in your sessions?
with learning, so you can add this to 2 years of experience, just because I'm not saying 3 years, just because if you will be putting 3 years of experience, so Power BI gets update frequently. So as I mentioned from starting, so Power BI gives you quarterly updates. So that are sometimes it's our major update, sometimes it's minor update. So we can assure you, you can put 0 to 2 years of experience in your resume and you will be getting shortlisted.
So what is the package? How the market is providing the package and Power BI, Nikhil?
So with the Power BI minimum you are getting 3.5 minimum, and maximum from your skill set you will be getting 10 or 8.5 LPM minimum for just a Power BI role. Or you are, if you are getting a data analyst role or BI reporting analyst, so you'll be getting higher packages as well.
Okay, then who are the
So
competitors for this Power BI, Nikhil? Any
so
idea?
yeah, so there are various competitors. So for example, apart from this, for biggest competitor for Power BI is Tableau, and later on this, apart from Tableau, there is one more competitor which is Click, and there is one more competitor which is Google. But if you can say the market share, major market share is deal with between Power BI and Tableau, but those are different areas. So Tableau is dealt with higher range of organization which has their own organization is more than 10,000 plus employees or more than that. So Tableau has different market area to capture, and Microsoft has different area to capture. And Looker is majorly used into smaller scales of organization and ClickSense has a different area to target. So if you are learning Power BI, so you'll be targeting minimum more than 50% of the market into BI industry, just because it's a leader between mid-scale area and mid-scale businesses.
Okay. And so I have a couple of questions like this,
Yeah,
Nikhil.
yeah,
So
yeah.
any any idea like which of the market is using more on a Power BI reports, like either a
So
healthcare,
yeah,
logistics,
yeah,
or financial?
yeah. I'll just brief. So for example, Power BI has data limitation of 1 TB. So if you have a Excel of 1 TB, you can analyze how big that data source is. But Tableau has no such limitations. So Tableau is targeting large number of data set of financial organization, the organization which are dealing with finance data. So as I mentioned or give example to Shubham. So for example, someone is doing 10 transaction in day. So that transaction you can multiply into thousand or lakhs of people, and that transactional data will be getting daily lakhs and lakhs. So this huge data or larger data is handled by Tableau, and Tableau is also focusing on large organization which are uh, getting their data, or data is generated in millions and millions records on daily basis. But Power BI has different market to target. So Power BI is targeting mid-range market, which is not large, or you can say they are not generating more than 1 TB data daily. So if I'll compare the company size which is Tableau is targeting and which is Microsoft is targeting, so Tableau is targeting more minimum 10,000 to 1 lakh people in the organization. So organizations like EY, McKinsey and McKinsey, uh, like PwC, which are majorly focused into finance or transactional data, is targeted by Tableau. But Microsoft has different area to target, so they are targeting mid-scale market, manufacturing industries, oil and gas industries. So these are the major area where Microsoft is focused, and Tableau is more focused towards the financial area.
Okay. And so what are the source systems this Power BI is going to support? Only database or other sources also we can connect
Mm,
and generate the
Power
report?
Power BI is supports API. Power BI
Okay.
supports more than 50 plus databases. Power BI do supports Excel, flat files. Apart from this, if you have live or your own database from, for example, if you have your own database set up in your environment or your house or office, you can connect that as well with the Power BI. So as in summary, Power BI has more than 110 plus data sources to connect.
We can connect NoSQL also.
Yeah, no SQL also.
So we
But
can connect.
but but there is a limitation of 1 TB of data.
Okay, okay. So we can connect. Suppose database means we can query and then transform the
Yeah,
data.
yeah,
If you connect any other sources, then we can
yeah.
bring that data into the Power BI and do the orchestration within the Power BI tool, and then make it as a format data, and then present it to the customers, right? Hello.
Sorry, Shekhar, I lost you in between.
Yeah, that's fine. So we can able to connect the multiple sources. And
Yeah,
what are
yeah.
the roles and responsibilities, Nikhil, for this Power BI report developer?
So roles and responsibilities. So you will be getting the biggest learning of client handling, to taking the requirements and showing them how your dashboards and reports are look and feel wise. You can just see them, and talking to customer and what are the major requirements of their business, and what are the major challenges they are facing with their data or in their organization. So you will be biggest benefit, you can say, you will be le- learning with this Power BI or dashboard development. learning. So you will be able to handle clients across various domains like HR, finance, or various domains. And apart from this, your responsibility will be the creating dashboard, reporting, and analyzing the errors between that. And you will be getting knowledge of various domains. So for example, someone one client is from finance domain and came to you, hey Shekhar, can you create me uh, 10 reports for my financial last 10 years of finance, and what are my debts, what are my growth. So you will be getting idea of what is the finance domain. And after 6 months, someone came from HR background, hey, saying, hey Shekhar, can you just analyze, give me dashboards which is saying me what are the attrition rate of my organization. So what is the head count of my organization, what is the gender ratio of my organization. So advantage of learning Power BI, you will be getting knowledge from various domain and roles and responsibility considered, dealing with stakeholder, dashboard development, understanding database, and managing some data sources, and responsibility to deploy the reports as per the requirement. These are the few key responsibility you will be working with into the Power BI development.
So once complete the sessions, or
Yeah,
along with the sessions,
yeah,
you are going to provide the project oriented
yeah.
scenarios.
Yeah, project oriented as well. So as I shown you two dashboards, so we'll be creating multiple dashboards into various data. For example, we'll be creating one dashboard into HR domain, one dashboard into recruitment, one dashboard into finance, so one dashboard into sales. So we'll be creating that much of dashboards so you can show to the recruiter that I am aware about the domain as well, and I worked on different domain as well, data as well, so that so you will be getting easy to get a jobs into the market.
And also, so before going to develop any reports, right, Nikhil? So we will get a BRD document from the business people, business requirement document.
Yeah.
That business requirement document will be transformed into in our reports. Our reports may be in any tool. That is secondary. Uh, uh, is there any chance to at least show us that the BRD document from your end? Any sample BRD document? How we are going to get that BRD document from the business people?
So I can show you with some samples, but there will be some limitations. So I'll be removing
Understood.
some links and names, but I can show you.
Okay.
Apart from that BRD document, there is the major thing you have to how to explain stakeholder or business owner that what you are going to what you are asking and what you will be getting with this reports. That is the major key thing what you will be going to learn in the sessions.
So where did we, in which application we are going to deploy our Power BI reports like SharePoint or .NET applications? How it works?
So for SharePoint, you will need a Power BI Pro license. So you will be going to deploy. There is one other site which is called as, I'll be sharing you separately. So you can deploy, and that will be work as your profile portfolio that I'll be teaching you. That is the similar process to deploy on SharePoint as well, or other websites as well. But
So from
yeah, I'll be sharing you with different website which allows you to free deployment of your dashboards, and that later on will be that deployment will work as your personal profile portfolio for Power BI dashboard.
from there, stakeholders can access the report, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I'm done with the questions, Nikhil.
yeah.
Any other questions, Shubham, uh, Nilesh, Satish?
Eh, don't hesitate. You can ask any question. Yeah, Shubham.
Yes, sir. Actually, I am as a already doing that course, but that uh, the part will be the in further for that learning for the Power BI.
Sorry, I didn't get your question.
सर मैं ऑलरेडी ये कोर्स कर रहा हूँ अभी,
हाँ
बट उसमें मुझे मतलब मेरा स्टेप बाय स्टेप चल रहा है। फर्स्ट मैं एक्सेल सीख रहा हूँ, उसके बाद में एडवांस, फिर उसके बाद में पावर बीआई, फिर एसक्यूएल।
ओके
तो मैं ऑलरेडी बॉट किया हूँ वेब कोर्सेज। तो मतलब वो मेरा कंडीशन आने का है, मतलब पावर बीआई मतलब आने का है।
हाँ
तो उसके अबाउट बस थोड़ी क्वेरीज थी, तो वो अभी रिजॉल्व हो गई बस।
ओके। सो एक क्वेश्चन, जैसे जो आपने भी बॉट किया होगा वो लाइव वो रिकॉर्डेड सेशंस होंगे, राइट?
लाइव एंड रिकॉर्डेड बोथ।
ओके देन फाइन, श्योर। एनी क्वेश्चन, नीलेश, सतीश? No
So when is
questions
the
from anyone?
so when is the regular sessions, Nikhil, on Wednesday, right? 14th.
Yeah, we will be starting our regular sessions from Wednesday.
Yeah. Announce with the timings and the date properly, Nikhil.
So the dates will be from 14th February, 14th February, from 7:30 to 8:30.
In the
1 hour
morning.
sessions in evening.
In evening.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And these sessions are going to be live, interactive. You can ask any questions. So there is no
Hello.
limitations. Yeah, hello.
Yeah, sir, what was the fee structure for that? You didn't
So
mention.
so that will be enrolled by Shekhar li- to you. So there will be some links and you can ask fees or admission or related questions to Shekhar.
Yeah, thank
Shubham,
you so much.
Shubham and others, as you have provided your email IDs and then contact numbers, our team will get back to you and then they will explain you all the details for your queries related to fees and all.
Okay, sir, sure.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. In the end, I just wanted to highlight. So you will be getting live sessions with projects, with queries, with experience, what industry asks, what is the requirement into market. So there are various courses on the YouTube, but they lacks what? So they are not updated and they didn't tell what is the industry requires, how to deal with the client, how to understand what clients needs, and what are the different types of work, different types of reports, and how to deal with different types of data and how to read data. This is the biggest thing you will be going to learn, and how to deal with different clients, and how to create good reports which will be helping you to get a good job into market and success into your career. Yeah, this session is free, Satish. So there will be no charges for you. Any questions? No, there is no requirements of any skills. You are, if you have zero knowledge of any skills, then you also can learn Power BI. If you are not from technical skills, Satish, then you will also able to learn Power BI. I'll be teaching you from scratch how to install it, how to run it. Each and every step will be taught you by me itself on the live classes. Just you need a laptop with 4 GB RAM minimum and a internet connection. Any questions to you, Nilesh? Okay, sure. No questions from Nilesh as well. So that's all from my end, Shekhar. If you have any points you want to highlight, you can highlight.
Yeah, that's it, guys. Nikhil has provided the very good demo on the Power BI, and he has robust experience on technology, and he has developed a number of reports and then delivered to the stakeholders. And we are going to start new batch on Power BI from February 14th, evening 7:30 to 8:30. Anyways, we have a contact numbers of all of you. Then we are going to update you the soon, and you will get the links also. So tell
Yeah,
me, guys, Shubham and then Nilesh, Satish, the
Shekhar,
7:30
Shekhar, Satish has a question. In case he missed today's demo session, so that recording link will be provided into email or not?
Yes, yes, yes. We are going to provide the demo. We are going to provide the recording videos. No issues. Not only a single demo. Whatever the sessions in between, due to personal reason, if you are unable to attend to the sessions, daily we'll get the recording videos to your email IDs. No worries. Yeah. So tell me, guys, Shubham, are you comfortable to join with 7:30 to 8:30 on February 14th?
Sorry.
So you are comfortable to join at 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. on February 14th?
I can't commit, sir, but I'll think over it.
Okay. What about Nilesh? Satish? Satish has provided. Yeah, in case if I miss, okay. I am comfortable with
Satish,
the timings. That's fine, Nikhil.
yeah, sure.
Uh, yeah, guys, if you don't have any questions, then we are good to close the session. And then so you all and then Nikhil will meet on February 14th at evening 7:30. Fine. If you have any questions, you can ask to Nikhil, or else we are good to close the session. Shubham, Satish.
Yes, sir. Close.
Yeah,
That was
fine.
Yeah,
great.
sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye,
Bye bye,
guys.
guys. Have a nice day. Thank you. We
Yeah,
will meet on
good day.
14th.
14. Yeah,
Thank you, guys.
good.
Thank you, Nikhil. Thank you, Shubham.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Satish. Bye bye.
Bye. Good day.